Now, a big part of using building information modeling is the speed at which you can update your drawings. Let's go back to our design layer. Let's look at this from an isometric view. And we want to see the entire thing. I'm going to go to a 3D modeling toolset and use the fillet edge tool. So click on one edge. We're going to use a 1 inch or 25mm radius. Click on the other edge, and the last edge. So I've got 4 edges selected. Hit the enter key and it's now changed my model. But what's that done to my drawings? Let's go back and have a look. Now the drawings are not yet updated, but they all have this orange border saying that they do need to be updated. View on the menu bar, update all viewports, and you'll notice that they've all updated. Now this is a very fast way of changing your drawings. Imagine if this was a landscape project or a set design or a house. I've just completely updated my drawings. It is very quick. This is the real way that you should be using Vectorworks.